a funeral procession. They say city and state leaders are killing small businesses by not allowing them to open. By the time this outbreak is over, demonstrators fear many small businesses will not survive.
Well, if they were knowingly responsible, certainly. If it was a mistake is a mistake. But if they were knowingly responsible, yeah, then there should be consequences.
President saying that about China today at the White House briefing on coronavirus. Also, the protest in Salt Lake City that we told you about earlier in the newscast, not the only one across the country. People expressing their frustrations with coronavirus fighting guidance from the states and Washington. Christine Frizzell tonight with more.
Growing frustration across the country, from Annapolis, Maryland to Columbus, Ohio, to Minneapolis, Minnesota, where protesters voiced displeasure about the impact of stay-at-home orders on their lives.
I'm a small business owner, and my business was shut down forcibly on the 17th of March, and I have yet to see any unemployment, any money come through from the government.
President Trump tonight signaling he's hearing from some governors they do plan on reopening businesses soon.
Texas and Vermont will allow certain businesses to open on Monday while still requiring appropriate social distancing precautions. Montana will begin lifting restrictions on Friday. Ohio, North Dakota, and Idaho have advised non-essential businesses to prepare for a phased opening starting May 1st.
Florida's governor already opened some beaches in the state, as others say they're not ready and still need far more help from the federal government, particularly with more testing.
Testing is how you monitor the rate of infection and you control for it. And that is the whole tension in reopening.
Others concerned relaxing social distancing guidelines too soon could mean a spike in new cases, as many hospitals have finally gotten their numbers under control. A decline in numbers praised at the White House.
What this graph illustrates is the amazing work of the American people to really adhere to social distancing. This was nothing we had ever attempted to do as a nation.
Meanwhile, most governors across the country have now formed coalitions with other governors in their region and plan to rely on the advice of doctors, economists, and other officials to help decide when and how to open their economies, with most saying this will be an incremental process and will involve lots of coordination. I'm Christine Frizzell reporting.
Trump properties furloughed